In this lecture, we're going to show how to create center marks and center lines. So here we have a front view. So when we create a front view, automatically on the holes are created center marks. But here on the slot and on the fillets are not. So we can add them manually. We can go to Annotation tab, and here we have center mark. So let's choose center mark. Now we want to create a center mark here on this fillet. We can just go to this fillet here, like this, and just click here. And this is our center mark. If we want to create a center mark here for this slot, we can go to this semicircle or this one here and just click. And here is our center mark. Let's click OK. Now let's go to this view here, and here we have a hose. Holes are designated with the dashed lines. And now we want to create here a center line between those two dashed lines. So let's go to Annotation tab. Let's choose center line. So let's choose this dashed line and this one here. So here we created center line. If we want to create a center line for this hole here, we can choose this line and this line, or this line and this line, or this line and this line, or we can go here, we can select this line and this line here. And now here we have created center line. And now we're going to show how we can automatically create center marks for fillets and slots when we insert some view. So let's go here to the options. Let's go to document properties and detailing. And here under auto insert on view creation, we have a checked center marks holes. This is checked. Here we have center marks fillets and center marks slots, and this is not checked. So we can check this one and this one. Let's click OK. So now let's insert a top view again, like this. And now if we go down here, we can see that here we have center mark, and for fillets we have center marks, and they are created automatically. So this is how you can create center marks and center lines automatically and manually.